to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. You stay away, you know like to wonder why the hell I wait for you. But when did common sense prevail for lovers when we knew it never will?